Welcome to Master Trader's Weekly Trade Review. I'm Dan Gibby, and I'm going to show you one of our very high probability patterns called a W bottom, but I'm going to show you how we can anticipate the turn. Now, all of these are bullish setups on any time frame, any instrument that you want to trade. We are technical-based traders, and this is our starting point as a compelling pattern. Then we overlay our other concepts that make up our total approach, which include such things as where is this picture in the overall trend? Is it on support and resistance? Is it showing relative strength? What about multiple time frame alignment? What are the broader markets doing, etc. So this is a pattern I'm going to show you on Abbott. It's a double bottom, and we have very specific criteria of how to describe it and trade it. So a couple of words about them here. This is a picture of one of them. I'll show you a couple others in a moment. So they're created, the uncertainty, when the trend does not make new lows. So this is moving down. You got a momentum move down. You have a retracement. We want them less than a third of this move. And then you have some type of bullish potent reversal. They come in all different kinds of flavors. And so this was making lower lows, lower highs. So the bears are getting trapped here, and because of the momentum move down, it has a lot of ability to move back up into the void. I say it has symmetry and shape and time. It's a W, folks. So many people have a hard time finding these. Just looking to the left and saying, oh, it's retesting a prior pivot low. That's not a W bottom. W looks like a W, like right out of the alphabet when you were in elementary school. That can happen in any trend. We're looking for any type of tail. That's why I'm showing you these famous poker players down here. Like, you know, on any type of setup, when we have a tail, it's like, all right, I got you. It increases the probability of the trade working as intended. So these are just different flavors of W bottoms, and obviously all of our patterns work equally to the short side, which would be an M top. You can see momentum move down, every one of these retraced, but they're just three different flavors. There could be 100 different flavors, and that's what my partner Greg Capra's swing trading strategies course teaches you, is how to read candlestick and trends and support and put all the pictures together to find high probability trade setups. So this one went up. NL means new low shock. So it took out this prior low and snapped right back with a potent 180 bullish reversal, as we call it. That's my tell. Not only the new low, but obviously it has to turn. Otherwise, like I said, it could keep going down. This one, we say, look, this went deep into resistance of these overlapping bars, and now I have a compelling turn on support. This one, we have a potent move off the first reversal, and I got a retest of that potent reversal. All these are just beautiful examples. Here's a trade we gave our subscribers last week. Here's my momentum move down. So this is what's called a climactic buy setup. We did an MT live recently on climactic buy setups and these W patterns, and you can trade this as a climactic buy setup just for the short-term bounce. That would have been totally fine. But W bottom retests are much higher probability. So here's our W right out of the alphabet. It's coming down. We were on this red bar right here. We were telling folks in the green room, I will be watching you every day to see how you react to this prior pivot low. They happen in all kinds of different flavors. And another red bar. Now you got my attention. I have a range expansion bar, bullish engulfing. Now I have an inside bar, higher low. Now I have another inside bar, higher low. It's actually a closing breakout over these four bars. We recommended this as a closed trade format for our subscribers. We send these trade alerts out Intraday, as we find them in Telegram. This is all open and closed trades are in the members area, and this is a closed trade where every format shows the date, the symbol, is it a stock or option trade, the technical setup, and then management in between, with an initial stop loss, management in between. So here is our technical setup, W, bottom, and reversal. This was a 4-bar reversal. And we a little bit anticipated, because it's not a decisively potent closing breakout, but it was good enough for us because of this 4-bar turn, wasn't going down anymore. We bought in the money $100 call options, which is a bullish directional option trade. Had a nice, beautiful gap up in the morning, and it rallied to resistance. We're at near a prior high. Now, we could have just gone into trail mode and let the stock take us out. But we had, look at this, folks, with the gap up and rally to resistance in one day, overnight, we made 64% return on this call option, paid 2.25, sell for 370, and that's a monster return in one day. Yes, we left some money on the table. If you have multiple contracts, what we would have recommended is sell half and then go into trail mode. If you want to get stock and option trades like this, go to mastertrader.com/advisory swing. That's our advisory swing and options trader, where you give detailed market analysis using our technical fundamental approach over the weekend. And we trade anything that moves, long, short, and through you get the live Telegram alerts. It's an amazing service, and we have a no-brainer $37 trial for a month. Check it out. Hope that helped. Any questions, as always, email me, Dan at Master Trader, Greg at Master Trader. Look forward to seeing you in the next trade review video.